Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun.
Never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine.
All right, let's look for 24 is what we are opening today. We only have today and tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I know what 25 is. Okay, 24. It's going to be a little booklet, maybe a scrappy, like to keep track of your scraps, or a planner. No. Jenny's Holiday Red, Block Red. Oh, Block Gray and Block Aqua. So if you've noticed, these are the colors that have been in the box so far. The ornaments, the scrubbers, the mug yesterday was the teal. So pretty. Okay, so this is the full instructions to make they are 18-inch blocks. And there's 4 different ones. Super cute.